Hey everyone, I'm Joe. This is my 987 Porsche Cayman S. I've had this car, I'd say a little shy of 3 years. Bought it a couple months before the pandemic. I always wanted a Porsche, always liked the idea of something mid-engined. These are fairly hard to find in manual 6-speed, but it's certainly been a fun ride. We're going to take a little bit of a drive. I'll give you some random comments about what I love about the car and what it's been like to own it. So it's worth noting that this is obviously one of the last generation of the analog versions of this car. This is actually a 2007, just crossed 60,000 miles about 2 weeks ago. Flat 6. I have a Revs Sport exhaust. This does a good job of accenting the car's favorable noises without getting too obnoxiously loud. One of the beautiful things about this type of car is you just get incredible steering feedback. Road feel is great among all Porsches, this being one of the last of the ones with hydraulic power steering. It's in its element in this type of road. The car keeps no secrets from you. You really get a good sense of what the front tires are doing. Is fun having the engine just a couple of inches behind you. You get used to it, but at the same time, it never gets old. You really get to hear a range of noises, everything from whirs of pulleys to snarls, induction growl, and of course, this is a great exhaust. We've got quite a few people up here. Another thing worth mentioning, sweet gearbox and lightweight flywheel. This is a stock flywheel as far as I know. What makes it especially easy to match revs, I really don't even think about it. Chevy SUV. It was fun while it lasted, right? It is a Sunday morning. A lot of folks on the road, out for coffee, out for breakfast. Hopefully that was a good run. You got to get a sense for what this car is like. I've certainly enjoyed it. Let's see. Put about 10,000 miles on it in the last two and a half years. I have to say it's really been a fun ride. Oil changes, brake renewal. Otherwise, German cars are fun, especially when you get a good one.